I'm making my own version of homemade sofrito. All the ingredients: bell peppers, cilantro, garlic, and a little bit of olive oil. First step, chop everything up.
No introduction. No introduction. Like, okay, now we chop. Now we puree.
Now we're chopping.
Now we're pureeing.
Now we're pureeing. Last but not least, an onion. Push that down in there, but ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you homemade sofrito. Let's see. There you go, and store it in the refrigerator and use it for your soups, beans, meat. Just showed you guys how to make homemade sofrito. Thanks for watching. Bye.